See, it's kind of worn looking. It's been about a year since it was bought new, and it's had a lot of use in all sorts of Northern Irish weather conditions. So I think the best thing to do is just remove it. Start again. So here all you have to do is get a hairdryer, get it up, peel it off, and then apply the new one. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I've never done this before, so let's see if I can do it. Go on high heat. I think we'll have to time lapse this a little bit. First part done. That was so easy. I thought that would be really difficult and it would be stuck and it would be peeling bits off everywhere, but yeah, just heat it up with a hairdryer and it comes off a treat. Look at that beautiful carbon fibre deck. It seems a shame to have it hidden up with so much grip tape. So what I plan to do is, I've got a new grip tape coming. I'm going to cut it out into just a patch here and a patch here where I stand, and then leave as much as possible visible carbon fibre. See how that looks. So as you can see, there's a few marks. I have to give it a bit of a wipe down with something. Get rid of all those marks. Grip tape came along with a sticker. This is from Skate Warehouse. And it was £7. See if we can get this opened up. So here's the new grip tape. I don't intend to use this across the full board, but let's just see, does it actually fit across the full board? Not quite, but you know, it's a long board. So the plan is I'm just going to have a small patch here, and maybe a small patch here, the black. So let's get cutting. So right now I have no idea what way I'm going to do this. I just want little bits. So probably have to fast forward this segment. The whole idea was a minimal look, so basically I just stand here and here, and then the carbon is on display. So yeah, happy with that. So here is the finished board. I actually took the front part of the grip tape off because it wasn't level, but it was dead easy, just peeled off, and I was able just to reapply it in a more straight manner. So there it is. You can just see lots of carbon, and it looks pretty nice. And I was out for a 10k ride earlier, and it's perfect. Basically, it's grippy where I want it to be grippy, and it shows all the carbon off. Because I mean, you don't need grip tape here. So yeah, very happy with it.